Alright, it's a whole new day. This letter is the one that I got from the court, the one that was 21 days late, mind you, dated December 9th, 2009. Still, regardless, according to its date, it is still 29 days late. Let's see, failure to obey a traffic control device, unlawfully equipped bike. The court has reviewed the testimony and statutes presented during the trial for the above entitled matter, and I am entering a finding of guilty for failing to obey a traffic-controlled device. Not a traffic control device. Let's see, I'm sure that the defendant has read the statutes. The signal that he was facing on the sidewalk was a solid line which indicates not to cross the street. Okay, first off, it was a flashing hand. I don't know what solid line he's talking about. There are no lines in any traffic lights of any kind in Oregon that I am aware of, which is a violation of the statute. A fine of $262 fucking dollars, including court costs, has been imposed. You have until March 10, 2010 to pay in full. On the citation for no rear brake, an unlawfully equipped bike violation, I find the defendant not guilty. The evidence that I recall was the defendant testified that he put 2 pine cones on the road and was able to stop with his front brake. Okay, now right there, testified. The judge didn't even look at my video evidence. I don't have to testify. You can watch the video. You watched the cop's video, remember? So let's see. However, the video that was introduced showed him coming up to the stoplight, stopping, even though he fell off his bicycle. I didn't fall off of it, I fell forward. He was still able to stop. The statute does not require him to not fall off his bicycle. You have the right to appeal. Pursuant to ORS 138.057, notice of appeal must be filed within 30 days of date of judgment. They may impose a non-refundable appeal filing fee of $167. So either way, they're trying to cost me money. But luckily, I don't have to file an appeal because it's a mistrial, because he didn't want to hear my side of the argument. My right to a speedy jury trial was denied. And he didn't even look at my video evidence. Remember, he watched the cops. So I'm going to go in there. I'm going to hand in my affidavit thing. Says, this is my second request for a jury over the incident of August 19th, 2009. That's the failure to obey a traffic control device. The reason I requested a jury trial for the first time is because I knew I would not receive a fair judge-only trial. And on November 10th, 2009, I was proven correct. I am calling a mistrial since the jury request was denied. The judge did not ask for my side of the story, and he did not even look at the video evidence that I presented at the trial. I am also requesting a different judge in the interest of justice. I will await a letter informing me of the new trial date and time, whether or not my constitutional right for a speedy jury trial will be honored, and the name of the judge for the new trial. My name, defendant. So let's go to the court and turn all this in. Alright, here we go. Door's not locked this time.
Okay. You just don't even
Audio's being recorded. I need to turn this affidavit thing in for a mistrial. Kind of like filing an appeal, but I need to file a mistrial instead.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Really? I think that they're in front of you.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
I guess I was supposed to sign a paperwork.
Yeah.
Francisco Aviles.
How do you spell that? Is it an appeal?
ILEZ.
Are you appealing the case?
It's more like a mistrial because the judge didn't look at my video evidence, he didn't hear my side of the story, and he denied my right to a jury trial.
Okay, I can turn it in. We'll see what he says. All right?
Thanks. I've got to get this. Yankee X-Ray Alpha 09er in a yellow zone in front of Yankee George Peter 09er6, who is still not in a yellow zone. Car's still here in the daytime, and we got an Eclipse in front of that parked in a yellow zone. There's where the paint ends, right in front of the Yankee George Peter. Another vehicle parked in a yellow zone. And what a shocker, no police to do anything about it. That vehicle right there, 9er3250, Crater Lake license plate, failure to stop at a stop sign. Right in front of me. Same goes for the blue Toyota in my rearview mirror. Cop car was just behind me, heading west on Main Street. Legal license plate cover. X-Ray Delta Zulu 227. That's the blue Toyota that was behind me I was telling you about. It's Toyota Tacoma. Alright, and because he just cut in front of me, I've got him on speeding, going over 30 in a 30. Let's see, reckless endangerment because he cut me off 5 feet in front of me with no other vehicles on the road. No reason for him to do such a thing except he's being an asshole. And I got him on failure to signal that cutting me off. Busted. Whoa, 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 and there's a fucking cop right there too. Fucking cop. There goes your damn criminal. 247803. Another speeder. I'm doing 30 miles an hour. She was passing me. And that blue Toyota is getting onto the 126 heading west. There's one of those logging semi-trucks, doesn't have a rear license plate. Watch him as he passes. Coming from the right, look for a plate. No plate. No plate at all. And for those of you out there thinking, oh, well, that's a commercial vehicle. He doesn't have to obey the law. Well, if you ever watch the television show Parking Wars, I believe it's on A&E, they do have to obey the law because they do get tickets. I don't know if I said this or not, but that was the blue Toyota that was getting onto the highway. And now I'm calling it.